You know how when you were a little kid, you always want to taste the batter, but you're not supposed to because it got eggs in it? Vegan. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan with me, Erin Wells, and today we're doing something sweet, like me. We are gonna do vegan Oreo cupcakes. Let's get started. Now, obviously to make these Oreo cupcakes, you're gonna need our main ingredient, Oreos. Now you definitely don't have to get the minis. They were just, they were on sale. So I'm gonna take out a few of these Oreos for our cupcake topping, but the rest I'm gonna go ahead and blend up in our food processor. I've preheated our oven to 350. Let's get started on our cupcakes. You're gonna need 1 cup all-purpose flour, a ½ cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon baking soda. Mix all your dry ingredients together. Now for the wet ingredients. 3/4 cup of milk, non-dairy of course. Instead of oil, I'm going to use these 4-ounce containers of applesauce. 1 will do the job. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Now let's add our wet to our dry. We're gonna create a little well here, because that's what people do for some reason. I have absolutely no clue. Let me know in the comments. Just to say there's Oreo in the batter. That's it. That's it. I'm fully aware this is a random number of cupcakes, but just in case you're a mom and your kid has 9 classmates, then you're welcome. While we let those bake for 20 minutes, let's make our frosting. I'm gonna take our Oreo crumbles and measure out 1 cup, which happened to be what was in here anyway. Okay. Now don't tell the kids, or you can if you have a super healthy kids. Now we're gonna put in 1 avocado. Now I'm gonna look at what I'm doing before I cut myself.
Oh yes. I love when avocado comes from a good home.
Last but not least, we're gonna do a 1/4 cup agave. Now it's time to blend. This smells great. I'm just helping move the crumbs along a little bit here. Look at that fudge sauce, guys. Per usual, I do not have a pastry bag because we do not need it, people. So we're gonna put our frosting in our Ziploc bag, cut a hole, and that is gonna be our pastry bag.
Later.
So this is what happens when you start dancing while your cupcakes are baking and they get burnt. So let's do this over again.
Soon after.
All right, my second batch of cupcakes is now out of the oven. I actually left these in for about 12 minutes, guys, so always just watch your cupcakes.
A few moments later.
So it's now 1 o'clock in the morning. I made these cupcakes twice and they've both been a fail. This is my fault. I heard if you use applesauce, it's a healthy alternative to oil. And the cupcakes, first I burnt them. The first batch I burnt them. Second batch, they are, you see that to the touch? Do you see that? They're like gooey and they don't even taste as good. So not only is it 1 o'clock in the morning, this video is useless.
Day 2.
It's the next day. I don't want to lie to you guys. That applesauce was not the move. I was trying to make a decadent dessert a little bit more healthy. We just gonna have to be fat. So 1/3 a cup olive oil, or oil of your choice. All right, mix the wet ingredients dry ingredients. Prayers up, y'all. This is attempt number 3. We're gonna get it. Are you praying? I'm away. Thank you. Okay, y'all, so I was a little nervous to try it on camera, so I cheated, but thank God it tastes good. I burnt my tongue. You see the smoke? Can y'all see the smoke? That's okay. So this is good. This is no frosting on top. I'm gonna let this further cool. Just came out the oven. Texture is great. Once again, this is hot. Once again, I'm still burning myself trying to explain. But I'll show you guys with another cupcake. But this is good. I can rock with this. All right, guys, here you are, the 8 cupcakes, because I already ate one. Right now they're muffins. So let's top them with our avocado frosting. Let me stop calling it that. Oreo frosting. Take your reserved little minis that you have left over. There we go. And I got a little extra to decorate the plate with. Okay, friends, it's time for us to enjoy our cupcake that we've been working on for 2 days straight. So it better be epic, right? Okay.
Oh, and if anybody from Oreo is watching, you can sponsor your girl. You can find me at thatchocolatevegan@gmail.com.
How do this? Ooh. The frosting, listen. I would have rather it be cold. So if you guys want to stick it in the fridge for a little while before you serve it, which you probably would anyway. We did it, y'all. We did it, y'all. I want to shout out my mom for not helping with this recipe.
Y'all, Brad, I know my head looks a mess. Don't worry about that. Do you see this? Do you see this? Vegan Oreo cupcake. Bussin'.
As always,
Bye-bye.
guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. And I will see you next time.